Guys, kanti umuntu uma esuke ephuma kuwe njengenhlamvu yesibhamu, and then usuke elindele ukuthi yini ezokwenzeka elifini yakho, ukuthi uzoba ne-stress, uzoba mubi, izinto zakho zizongahambi kahle. Usuke elindele ini vele vele? Balance me. Usuke elindeleni?
Hello, sanibona nidumelang igama uZandi isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalola lwezibhekane zona isihambela le kude phezulu. Do join.
It's a story time. It's a story time. It's a story time. It's a story time. Yeah. It's a story time. Welcome and welcome life graduates to another story time. It's the story time with Z on the story time segment. If you're new into this channel, welcome and welcome once again. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Make this your home because there are a lot of things that are going on here. We've got a podcast, we've got story time, we've got point of view, and we've also got public opinion. So right now we are back with another story time. Very short and sweet. There's no electricity again here tonight. As you can see, we are wearing the story time uniform. It's time for the story time. Guys, tshelani mina ngitshela bangazi. Kanti umuntu uma ngabe esiko ephuma elifini yakho njengenhlamvu yesibhamu, aphume ahamba ngabheke emuva njengaleya nto leya oyisula ngethishu uyishiye uyiflash ungayibheki nokuyibheka. Usuke ecabanga ukuthi ngoba nakuphume kanjalo elifini yakho so phelile ngawe, wena nje uzophenduka impuphu nje ube impuqumpuqu, ube into useless, ube into engafunwa ndawo, ube into engelutho. Let me just share with you a quick and sweet story time, okay? I'm an ambitious person, so I never want to fail. Even when I started this podcast, I told myself, Uguti, I can never fail. And I know, Uguti, I have chosen niche ebukhuni that is got an element of education and inspiration most of the time. And we all know ukuthi on YouTube, those niche, they don't sell because abantu bafuna ukuzwa izindaba ze-satanism. Abantu on YouTube, they want to hear witchcraft stories. Abantu on YouTube bafuna ukuzwa umjolo. Abantu bafuna umgosi, izindaba zabantu. And umgosi, I used to do it ngawuyeka, and I had my reasons why ngawuyeka umgosi. Umgosi is doing very well if you just follow niche nje entertainment. Sengikunikeza amathiphu-ke nawe uma ngabe usafuna ukungena ku-YouTube uqale. If you want nje i-niche eflyayo ehambayo, the stories there never run dry because there is always drama in South Africa. The way there is drama in this country, I am even sure ukuthi even ngisho noNkulunkulu usevela athi, oh hayi labo, they are at it again. Hleze kune-drama like today nje we wake up to the news ukuthi uMinnie Dlamini usehlukene futhi nalo dokotela wakhe bekade sesixhomela ngaye sithi hayi uMinnie waphuma emshadweni wathola olunye uthando olusha. Kodwa ngikho-ke lapho nasi story time wena nangu umuntu owaphuma kimi njengenhlamvu yesibhamu jikijiki. Sengikwi-podcast-ke manje. I'm doing my own thing. I'm busy up until a point where I managed to get uThando Dlamuka on my podcast. Okay, fine. Uma ngishutha noThando Dlamuka, i-deal enganginayo with the Moja Love TV is that I'm gonna shoot my episode ngiyidlale ngesikhathi engidlala ngaso, and nabo on the same day I was shooting episode noThando Dlamuka, nabo they were also shooting the same content I was shooting podcast. Kodwa bona babeshuthela i-channel, which meant ukuthi we are not sharing our resources, or they cannot give me what they have shot because what they have shot is theirs, it belongs to them, copyright. So yeah, if you understand what I'm talking about, copyrights. Okay, fine, understandably. So sishuthe on the same day episode that is engizoyilinka on this story time if you have not watched that episode engayishutha noThando Dlamuka from Isencane Lengane, umfazi kaSithuphe 2, usiyacela. So sishuthe-ke ngiyidlale-ke mina yami episode ngoDisemba. Fine, ngiyidlala on my podcast. So ngiyidlale ngiqede ngiphume kuyona, and then masisuka lapho bona they were still continuing shooting useason 7 lo odlalayo njengamanje we-Isencane Lengane. Bawushuthe bawuqede, uqale ku-season 7 udlaleke. Now remember when we shot the episode for my podcast, we were shooting on the same day. Kodwa mina, I played my episode immediately after my crew has finished editing, my senior, my editor, my producer has approved, and I quality checked everything. It just went straight and it aired. Okay. Now, mina i-episode le same episode engayishutha the same day nabantu bakaMoja Love TV. It only played, I think, on the week of last week of March, around 28, because angithi udlala ngeSunday Isencane Lengane. So udlale ngeSunday yamhla ka 29. Yeah, kuleyo weekend le, I can't remember the exact date. Uma idlala guys le episode, abadlalanga the full episode ngoba remember ukuthi content bona basuke beyenza isuke iningi, kunama diaries, kunani nani, but I was featured in that episode eyadlala the day sishuthe on the same day kanye nabo sishutha i-podcast. Mayidlala le episode TV, ngicela ukubuza ukuthi kanti yini especial ngomuntu ophuma ku-TV, ngoba phela mina ngicabanga ukuthi ukuphuma ku-TV nanombala ngaphuma ku-TV. Ungaphuma ku-TV uwufakazi ukuthi ubone kwenzakalani, usezindabeni SABC News. It's not a big deal. Is it a big deal to be on TV? Especially if you're not even gonna be paid for it, because I was not paid for it. It was just a request that I put through at Yaphumelela. So hence I was on that episode. I was not paid for it. I was not meant to be paid for it. I was not part of the cast or whatever, the people on that reality TV show. So mina, I was doing my own content. Okay, fine. Idlale le episode ngale Sunday edlala ngawo. Uma idlala is episode, hey, wahlanya umuntu. Ngikhuluma ngomuntu mina owaphuma kimi like inhlamvu yesibhamu. Hayi, ama calls engawathola that day. Umuntu uyafona, useyangithanda, usemathandweni, usangene kwathini, mina sengiyi-celebrity, ngivela ku-TV, nginywa. Hayibo, the shock of my life. I was like, hayibo, kanti simanga sini esikhona ngokuvela ku-TV? Ngokuvela kanye nje ku-TV so yi-celebrity, abantu abakulahlileyo sebebona ukuthi hhayi uyinyama, kufanele babuyele back ngu-full speed kuwena. The promises he made, oh my gosh, I've never forgotten about you. Wena uyazi nje ukuthi you've always been special. Oh, nywa, you've done so well for yourself. Now you are on TV. Now you are on TV. Hi guys, this was a short one. Ngifuna nje ukubuza, ngicela ningicacisele kuma-comment ukuthi kanti yini special ngokuvela ku-TV. Yase ngiyakufuna ukuba ku-TV okwangempela-ke, ngibe ku-TV lo wokuthi nami ngikhokhelwe-ke ngizizwe ukuthi hhayi ngiyi-celebrity ngempela, mhlampe ngiyi-reality TV star or whatsoever. Yini special ngokuba ku-TV ngoba phela ngicabanga ukuthi mina ukuba you are just a person, just like any other person. But by the way, if you have not watched the episode that I did with uThando Dlamuka, I'm pinning that link on the description box down below. So it's a story time. Yes. Stay tuned for more stories as we are talking about you, the experience that you have been through, my experiences, other people's experiences, and remember that it could be your experience as well, the story time that we might be doing. So if you've got a story to share and you are afraid to tell the story yourself on social media, why don't you contact us? TikTok, DM us, Facebook, DM us, everywhere. All social media platforms, TikTok Conversations with Uzandi Mfeka, Facebook Meaningful Conversations with Uzandi Mfeka, Instagram Conversations with Uzandi Mfeka, and you can also email us conversationswithuzandimfeka@gmail.com. Send us your story. Sifuna ukuzizwa ezomjolo, ezobuthakathi, ezokugilwa umndeni, ezokugilwa umathandana wakho. Zonke izitori onazo that you've always wanted to share with a bigger platform, kodwa usaba ukuthi uzosiqala ngalaphi ngoba abantu bazokujaja. Lalela, uzoba u-anonymous. DM wena mina isitori sakho ngizosixoxa and ngizosithanda because it's our experiences, it's her and his and our experiences, everybody's experiences. We learn, we share, we relearn, and we change the narratives. So do the right thing. Share your story. It's a story time.
Ngihamba noSizandi Mfeka, so ungikhulumile-ke nami wathi ufuna ukuthi siyikhiphe. Uthe ufuna nje ukuthi ngiyowenziwa imassage. Nokwenza phela ngiyayiqala kusama ngifuqa mama. Ngihlezi ngizwe kuthiwa khona ispa ngicina ngalesi sokudla kuphela. Hayi lesi sokutobotoboza.
Sishawa isikhathi nje namanje ngabe besizoyishile kuthela 2.5 hours wonke nje.
Hawu. Lapho kusamele ngiyolunda mina.
Manje niyakuthanda ukulala anivuki.
Kodwa besivukile yazi.
Hawu ngathi nginifolele mina waziye ngo-1:30 kungakuvula ngisho eminyango. Yabona nje le imnandi kakhulu.
Yo.
Iy'dress zami ziningi ziyayidinga impela le.
Ngizolala kahle namhlanje.
Uzolala kamnandi yazini uzolala kamnandi nje uthi ja.
Lapho la ngihlala ngakhona mina asikho ispa. Kaze abanye abantu bayaphila emhlabeni. Amantombazane ayaphila. Kumnandi ukuphila. Uphume ngaphandle. Hayi lokho usemakhaya inqondo ithe siyabotobotozalana nabo bayakhuluma osisi. Uyazi nje ukuthi uma angidingi ngisho indoda ukuze ngibe happy.
Kumnandi kabuhlungwana. Ngicela ngasuka ngize ngasashisa kakhulu kumnandi.
Into engizoyiposta Jehova. Hayi. Yabona mase bebona lezi ithombe lezi. Bazobe sebesho ukuthi hawu siyabonga nkosami waphuma ngempela yeke siyacela.
Indaba behleze bethi mlahla usiyacela.
Indlela ayiphethe ngayo nayadelela ngayo. So yabona nje izolo kade ngilive. Ngiwabuza ukuthi okay ngiyanizwa ke lethi sengimlahlileke. Aningitsheleni igama lalomuntu othi uzongihlonipha uzongazi ukuthi ngoba. Akho ngisho yedwa onginika igama. Ngazi ukuthi indoda kuphela ethi mayikuthinta uzuchokheka. Kanti nomuntu wesifazane uyakwenza urelax umzimba nobuso. Kaze awumdinga umuntu wesilisa ukuze ujabule. Into engifunde namhlanje ukuthi uThando zibeke phambili wena. NoSizandi na uyangikhulisa ngokwengqondo mayikhuluma ukuthi Thando ungayeki.